Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to fix Smart View not working on Samsung. So let me show you the steps you can follow to fix that. So if a Samsung Smart View isn't working, the first step might be to check your phone's TV and Wi-Fi are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So you can just turn this drop-down box and check your Wi-Fi network with which your phone and your TV might be connected, and then try restarting both devices, updating your TV software, and ensuring the screen mirroring permissions are enabled on your TV. If the issue persists, you may need to adjust your phone's screen ratio settings within the Smart View function. You might find it in the Smart View section of Samsung and in the settings. So yeah, and there are some key troubleshooting steps you can follow. And the first one is check your network connection. Verify that your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Second one is restart devices. Third one is update your software. Check permissions. Make sure your TV has the necessary permissions to allow screen mirroring from your phone. And then last but not the least is try moving closer to your Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi router to improve signal strength. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can fix your Smart View not working on Samsung. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.